Candle blessings. As we gather to say the blessings over the Hanukkah candles, the mood should be both solemn and joyful. To create this atmosphere, pause before saying the candle blessings. After the blessings, read the poem and reflection on the following pages for the corresponding night. We say 2 blessings each night when we light the Hanukkah candles.
Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, asher kitshanu b'mitzvotav v'tzivanu lehadlik ner shel Hanukkah.
We praise you, Adonai, our God, ruler of the universe, who makes us holy by your mitzvot and commands us to light the Hanukkah candles.
Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, she'asa nisim lavotenu bayamim hahem bazman hazeh.
We praise you, Adonai, our God, ruler of the universe, for the miracles which you performed for our ancestors in those days. On the first night, we add this blessing.
Baruch atah Adonai, Eloheinu melech haolam, shehechiyanu v'kiyamanu v'higianu lazman hazeh.
We praise you, Adonai, our God, ruler of the universe, who kept us alive and well to celebrate this special time. Once the candles are lit, it is traditional and fun to play games and sing Hanukkah songs.